Beautiful sound here at Stars and Stripes Harley-Davidson dealership with an XL883N with 649 miles. We're going to do a 1K tour, get her back up and running. Now onto the showroom floor, dust her off a bit, and make sure this 9-spoke wheel is doing fantastic. And what else is going on? We got Brembo brakes, 5-speed transmission, beautiful white color and gloss, mid-mount foot controls. We have the LEDs in the front with a nice star design. Let me see if oh, hey now. Nice star design, if you can see that there. And very low mileage, but come on down, see for yourself, give it a test ride. LEDs in the rear. And just some tips on the exhaust as well here. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below what you think about it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the wind.